Hello students, today we are going to solve all the exercises of mathematics lesson number 6 division part 1. First of all, exercise from page number 32. The question is solve the following problems using dots. Number 1, 8 divided by 2. 2 is the divisor. We have to divide 8 dots into 2. So, put 2 dots in one row. In first row, 2 dots. In second row, 2 dots. In third row, 2 dots. And in fourth row, 2 dots. Total are 8 dots. 4 rows are formed. Hence, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Number 2. 16 divided by 4. 4 is the divisor. We have to divide 16 dots into 4. So, put 4 dots in one row. In first row, 4 dots. In second row, 4 dots. In third row, 4 dots. And in fourth row, 4 dots. There are 16 dots. 4 rows are formed. Hence, 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Number 3. 18 divided by 6. 6 is the divisor. We have to divide 18 dots into 6. So, put 6 dots in one row. In first row, 6 dots. In second row, 6 dots. In third row, 6 dots. Total are 18 dots. 3 rows are formed. Hence, 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Number 4. 24 divided by 8. 8 is the divisor. So, put 8 dots in one row. We have to divide 24 dots into 8. In first row, 8 dots. In second row, 8 dots. In third row, 8 dots. Here total are 24 dots. 3 rows are formed. Hence, 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. Exercise from page number 33. The interrelationship between division and multiplication. 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35. It means 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5 and 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to 45. It means 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9 and 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. 6 multiplied by 7 is equal to 42. It can be written as in two ways. 42 divided by 7 is equal to 6 and 42 divided by 6 is equal to 7. 8 multiplied by 7 is equal to 56. It means 56 divided by 8 is equal to 7 and 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8. Exercise from page number 36. Dividing a two-digit number by a single-digit number. The question is, carry out the divisions, write down the divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Number 1. 75 divided by 5. 75 means 7 tens and 5 units. First of all, divide 7 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Then take 5 units from above. It makes 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. Here dividend is 75. Divisor is 5. Quotient 15 and remainder 0. Number 2. 52 divided by 4. 52 means 5 tens 2 units. Divide 5 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Then take 2 units from above. It makes 12. 4 threes are 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Dividend is 52. Divisor is 4. Quotient is 13 and remainder is 0. Number 3. 44 divided by 3. 44 means 4 tens 4 units. Divide 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Then take 4 units from above. It makes 14. 3 fours are 12. 14 minus 12 is equal to 2. Dividend is 44. Divisor 3. Quotient 14 and remainder 2. Number 4. 92 divided by 8. 92 means 9 tens 2 units. 8 ones are 8. Subtract 8 from 9. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Then take 2 units from above. It makes 12. 8 ones are 8. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Dividend 92. Divisor 8. Quotient 11 and remainder 4. Number 5. 85 divided by 6. 85 means 8 tens 5 units. Divide 8 by 6. 6 ones are 6. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Then take 5 units from above. It makes 25. 6 fours are 24. 25 minus 24 is equal to 1. Dividend is 85. Divisor is 6. Quotient is 14 and remainder is 1. Number 6. 92 divided by 7. 92 means 9 tens 2 units. Divide 9 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7, 2. Then take 2 units from above. It makes 22. 7 threes are 21. 22 minus 21 is equal to 1. Dividend is 92. Divisor is 7. Quotient is 13 and remainder is 1. Exercise from page number 37. Question is, divide the following. Number 1. 33 divided by 5. 33 means 3 tens 3 units. Here 3 tens cannot be divided into 5 parts in that form. Therefore, let us give 0 tens, means write a 0 in the tens place in the quotient. Then 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Then take 3 units from above, means from dividend. It makes 33. Then divide 33 into 5 parts. 5 6 are 30. 33 minus 30 is equal to 0. Means quotient is 6 units and remainder is 3 units. Number 2. 41 divided by 8. 41 means 4 tens 1 units. Here 4 tens cannot be divided into 8 in that form. So write 0 in tens place at the quotient place. 8 zeros are 0. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Take 1 unit from dividend. It makes 41. 8 fives are 40. 41 minus 40 is equal to 1. The quotient is 5 units and remainder is 1 unit. Number 3. 51 divided by 7. 51 means 5 tens 1 units. 5 tens cannot be divided into 7 parts in that form. So write 0 in tens place at the quotient place. 7 zeros are 0. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Take 1 unit from the dividend. It makes 51. 7 sevens are 49. 51 minus 49 is equal to 2. Quotient is 7 units and remainder is 2 units. Number 4. 80 divided by 9. 80 means 8 tens and 0 units. Here 8 units cannot be divided into 9 in that form. So write 0 in the tens place at the quotient place. 9 zeros are 0. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Then take 0 units from dividend. It makes 80. 9 eights are 72. 80 minus 72. Here 8 will remain. The quotient is 8 units and remainder is also 8 units. Exercise from page number 38. Dividing 0 by a non-zero number. The question is, divide the following. Number 1. 50 divided by 5. 50 means 5 tens and 0 units. Divide 5 tens equally among 5. Each will get 1 tens and 0 10 will remain. Divide 0 units among 5. 0 divided by any non-zero number is 0. Write 0 in the units place of the quotient. So 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. Number 2. 90 divided by 9. Divide 9 tens equally among 9. Each get 1 tens and 0 10 will remain. It means 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Then divide 0 units among 9. 0 divided by any non-zero number is 0. So write 0 in the units place of the quotient. So 90 divided by 9 is equal to 10. Number 3. 60 divided by 3. 60 means 6 tens and 0 units. Divide 6 tens equally among 3. Each get 2 tens. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 0 tens remain. Then divide 0 units among 3. 0 divided by any non-zero number is 0. So write 0 in the units place of the quotient. So 60 divided by 3 is equal to 20. Number 4. 40 divided by 2. 40 means 4 tens and 0 units. Divide 4 tens equally among 2. Each get 2 tens. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 0 tens remain. Then divide 0 units among 2. 0 divided by any non-zero number is 0. Write 0 in the units place of the quotient. So, 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20.